Hello friends, this is Umesh. Welcome to my channel Education for All. Today we are going to study about interesting interesting chapter, that is sound. Students, sound plays an important role in your daily life. You must have seen different varieties of sounds from different objects, right? You must have seen in our school music room, that is the sound of a harmonium, tabla, mridanga, flute, guitar, right? These are the different objects we get sounds. So, what are the sources of sound? What are the sources of sound? Right? So as I said, that is also the sources of sound in our school. If you touch the school bell when it is not vibrating, right, and if you go and you put the bell and make something noise will come, that is sound. These are the different sources, right? These are the different sources of a sound. You see students, it is a plate and it is a spoon. It is sound, right? So vibrations. What is vibrations? The to and fro or back, the to and fro or back and forth motion of an object is called vibrations. You can see that your school bell and tuning fork is vibrating. Tuning fork is vibrating this motions. This type of motions. If you press the bell of the school, it will be vibrate, right? So sound produced by humans. I am speaking now. Sound produced by human from the larynx, right? So how sound travels? Suppose I am speaking and you are listening, and your friend is suppose you are standing here and your friend is standing some far away, means 100 meters distance. So how, if you calling your friend, how sound is traveling, right? So now we study that sound travels by air. For this we can do an activity, right? Suppose it is a glass, right? I will keep a cell phone. I will keep a cell phone inside this glass, right? And I will press my face and cover the whole glass, right? First, I have another phone and I will keep one cell phone inside here and I will call. I will ring this phone. Then the, if I have not covered anything here above the glass, then you can see you can hear the loudness of the phones, right? And then after, if I cover the whole glass and I will shock all the air and I will again ring a call, then we cannot hear the loudness of the sounds, right? Why? Because inside this glass there is what? Air, right? Before, when I call and I did not cover the glass, then the loudness of the sound was high. But when I suck all the airs from the glass, then I did not listen any sounds. So we can conclude that from this experiment, from this activity, that sound travels in air. Sound travels in air, right? Let us do another activity. Sound travels in liquid or not, right? Sound travels in liquid or not, right? Suppose it is a glass or a bathtub. It is a glass. It is a glass, and inside this glass there is water, right? I'll put inside this water a bell. You must have seen bell. ringing bell in the temple, and inside this glass there is filled with water, and inside this glass there is also a bell, and I will put my ear here, right? And inside this glass I will try to strike the bell, ring the bell, so I can hear the sound outside, right? So we can say that sound travels in liquids also, right? From this experiment we can say that sound travels in liquid. You must have seen in rainy seasons or in flood in your village, if everywhere there is water, and if you are talking slowly and the sound is going so rapidly, so quickly to the other distances because of the water. So sound travels in liquids, right? Then another one is sound travels in so third one is sound travels in solid, right? Sound travels in solid. As I show you, it is a metal, right? So sound is traveling. So we can say that sound travels in any type of solid. It may be metal or any type of solid. If you strike it, then sound can travels, right? So these are the different how sound travels from one place to another, and we can say that sound also travels in strings. How? In our daily life when we were so small, sometimes we use a string, and one end of the string we put something that is it is matchbox, and another is empty matchbox in a distance. So if you talk with your friend, if you make something noise, something sound from this end, and your friend is something away from you, then your friend can hear your sound. So we can say that sound travels also by strings. So this is all about sound and how sound travels from one place to another, right? By different mediums. So sound cannot travel without any medium. Air is also a medium, solid is also a medium, liquid is also a medium, string is also a medium. This is all about that we have studied today: sound, propagation of sound, and how sound travels from one place to another by different mediums. Thank you.